Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.
Mr. Boo, you will come in the castle book on a radio at here. Babu Fanko Yansom, then a papa club and busy probably to fuck
as and you say because that's what you said yet here. Your because is here.
You can't crack a can ID. This said, two folk castle can crabby.
Mammy Fenno starting up. Men do her crown.
I know one prime booker.
Oh, me that's me. I say I told you.
Your flow around Judibiana.
Me. Now, when you have permission, now so send me a friend, I'm a catcher. Say, see me problem, no. Say, it will about Jim Pine frame. Yes, a friend, have a catcher. But now, I didn't see a Kumasia or 246 in your mass say. What exactly a Kumasi situation? Only energy, Mr. Catcher. Yes,
you can't say. You think, hey,
yeah,
do so be a hana.
Not that I know. A woman you do.
Baby or what? Because no matter you should not see the still yes, straight line. I could see Kaswa. Still yeah, Kaswa box supply point. In because we see. And so pure thinker head in Abakacho say, "See, can you try?" And no, said no. You be sending me text. So see, boom. It's your be a tower greater cry. Say, if ever be boom, boom. It's your toy. I'll come before you so. As a minister. They have said, "Give me Kania, ye no Kania." It is a shade of hair, a genuine as to be out sick and cry. Ah, yeah, a person cannot credo. Over catches the Kania night, I couldn't do. Kwame,
No,
me one ECG4, a Sunday report to be 24th of November. Ghana Electricity Company of Ghana in the Sunday report. Report to Kwame, I can't say. Report to that someone kind of say. Emirates yaka krebi Kumasi nkwa Fabi be carry report
Metie
Ashanti SB reported 27th of November. I say Ashanti a 23rd sorry many na me glasses no way one farmer. I say Ashanti SBU for the past 9 days. Obusanya reported 23rd November. For the past 9 days. Have been experiencing unannounced load management from Gridco.
Unannounced.
This usually happens from 6 p.m. each evening, dark during peak load. Gridco's explanation when asked is that they still have not resolved the problem with the 33 kV collapsed towers on the Apuase and Mombasa line that happened a few weeks ago. Secondly, they have another problem at the Atwabo gas plant, which has resulted in short supply of gas and hence generation reduction of 100 megawatts to only KIBSP, Kumasi number 1 bulk supply point at Ridge in Kumasi. Only
100.
I don't know, twice. You are 9 days. Ultra letter, 23rd November.
Into the question 14th.
From 16th.
14th.
Kumasi for. In fact, Okaya can say there will be 55 outages in that period.
55.
What I mean, can you say?
Not just the Kumasi situation here horrible.
However, they have not been able to give us draw any load management. Load management. For last week alone, 1 week here, we experienced 55 outages from Gridco.
Wow.
On load reduction, ranging from minimum of 30 megawatts to 80 megawatts at the Kumasi bulk supply point. Sometimes we are tripped by their installed AFLS, Machibi Oha, say a problem about a new doom.
Okay.
It's you who said downloader, any affecting customers. 1 week, 55 outages. They are calculating outages are close to Kumasi. Between start time and 9 days now, the other starting 40. It's over 100 outages.
What is the problem?
What kind of problem? No.
Gridco
Tower Gridco Tower them. And then Ghana gas are entry momo gas. What can This document was sent from Ashanti SBU to Accra, 23rd November.
Oba Mutie and SBU then.
Kumasi the Special Business Unit.
Okay.
So the Ashanti Special Business
Exactly.
Unit. The Ekosodo. Eti uti Kumasi na Ashanti region. The medical can say medical to go for power chow. Say no cra. In fact, me can be accused you of say I don't know you no Kumasi cry because 1% cry for me.
Na say so 240 na no atum.
Eti Greek no on generating electricity or transmitting. Me just a report 2 days na via for my office. I don't make a check say yentimi mo gas. Eti takra de crowd plant tobacco o we use light crude oil. La Ghana gas yentimi mo gas.
Teni na shawase.
There be here say before they call Ghana gas. So mom report. Na me can check cabinet say bibi na wo ho up to now I'm for reporting. I said this to Ghana Gas on 24th November. The problem is getting worse in Kumasi.
Why?
Overcome problem too. It will be the Ghana Gas for the VRA4 and the ECG4. But if we need Kumasi. So man could engage media. No omunka kwabe, omunka problem how. In fact, over yes, our press conference no Tuesday 10 o'clock. Kumasi journalist in Ankoi. Kwabe Tuesday, my TV Anko Kumasi.
Ade.
That on the ye budget tattoo.
Maybe so.
And no beba. Oh, I'll be your brother. Oh, already macro, but every day beba. I buy MP's car no makwajino. 275. Obomba radio cross saying no. Omako Jibia na jono. Ababe de tiaka si aje budgeta.
Yenko Kumasi answer.
Yenko Kumasi. The highway. The beba local road. What would they patch it? Eti na mo koda me de me kwasa me ti o kwame. Da be one can have one weekend me nya hwi bia. Must have me ko be da be ho to me. Na mo ko explain. Na so be you mo ko budget enti me anko. Omuko ye press conference. Such way no dey to journalists for them. Say ye ntimi mamo power rationing program. If it's a power na air bado, erratic. You dim also say 30 to 80.
Yeah.
Up to 100. It's nano power and ajua period. And now so buja gas enti. You say a short to 60 near the Kumasi. Ye vakra kaho. Ye the atik Kumasi for box supply point. Or say K1DSP only.
Yeah.
Ridge supply and the whole of Kumasi. Now, Ghana Gas won't be in country at the air cost when it's going to be resolved.
Why?
And now, in pay for two journalists. Oh, Kumasi. So what's wrong? Tawana at Sabi and no one any off the shelf. If you will say a crack, if you will say the pie one juma and they can see almost robusto. For a video correct. And no, I didn't a cat here. Say a cat is the same kind. Greco pilots, you can find the see this is the die on one. I can't believe
Don't go boo.
or big to be sit die. No a trap on the garage. ECG 4 posts in the garage in 50. No 2 chances I know they are found. Okay. It's a human face. And the telephone station be, I could see mast next to Gridco. And from any stops here, a boo at the end of Gridco Ahoma. Regulatory failure. And then that's our tower communication because pilots up to 50 feet, you just go home. And then your man the power, your man the 2 me.
Ain't you one also to
I think can you be free? But 02 for him. Because they me try trouble, because been called for and then suffer. And I know me have me try trouble you. Se see a Gridco ko fa grade that say Achibota East Legon or Claire Crawford or station ha journalist for the medical hey government the one sing color hey government eti ababia suru
ana ona ususu o de sanka unsu de
bi suru de bi je dipa bu chako abuja East Legon substation kakake wo come in the presence of my eyes yes obia jehon I'm telling you, me ni odie ebeye obi am na koto die wo. Cause we get cancer the media change member. Ye twa ho war maka check. And a mass na ko ti wire. Telephone company o ye ti talk tax waje the oko, waje mumu, waje the levy or the code crew or the call. One person's lack of one person have affected the whole Ashanti. Now they are blaming government. I said we come back here. I mean, just about telephone company in the Kwame. Just about.
Someone can share if you're not more.
A child video book was this one co explain. Also, master, no company be your friend glue in India.
Not glue that man.
Asaba bikobusa benchia kwame Javisha
ana maka boni
Sabi bi ja abi bo kro no abi cheche kwase payifo efuri budo ana busa se da buka company bay no bi say glow abi say na glow da wo sana busa ozo busa
I do not uncroft for this
I do not want severo esidra
I do fi say ya said that bibi sa over there juba
bisi be tie bi am shebe oh I know because gas so a man no efiri Ghana gas and your two for kasa no o sha ase no and also be kra no opebi the TV on that one because unannounced it is all generator crap say you do man sad wakoso and akwa baby boy
yeah but it be automatic
so only automatic see fear back to say jai say sa pressure yi sa da kuma say dey na dum so because over say omo be more program
ntia pressure
pressure sa pressure ya e ko so kuma say uwo automatic generator how be shoot fear and because say ukaka be from what to TV for from CC that will pressure that bad nu ya they are certainly recognized. So in the last 4-5 months there have been a tremendous improvement in the life situation in Kumasi and then the omunka I say okay publicly
okay no me ntie ho baby am to say here can so say nenyoma say
but okay o say na nu ya de abane de a chai that the normal hey okay
now what about two for your mashu
been also because dealing with it before
nanka nanya on minister
et you no kan ye no come the clips no ha odo kan ye a o ka say ye odo ma se payifo aba onim say dimdiefo ibeko Greco MD ko bi Greco board chair Kabira am here otio Greco Mr. Sylvia Kyoko Greco board council okaho former ECG MD okaho ne ekoye Jifa Megashi Greco board member Greco council members and
Pennyfo
and then Greco MD and the technical the engineering director service ECG MD the deputy and the ECG Pennyfo VRA deputy chief executive and the technical service omo de koye press conference that na po binyina ho bi because omo na dwane show busa na VRA no onya gas ni fi Ghana gas o whether produce career
na Ghana gas wan go bi
I know two for busa here we say okay o say rather than Ghana gas the one maybe I just have to do for kai kabe but clip the tea sir papa ba ko do we Ghana gas so I should do aje the year obeko president to I just have to do for kai yeah ko se ko pache wo kabe ya ko se ko bonkuru
mo ko pache
ko pache now uti other 9 days you do career 55 one ko pache na we na ade so ye Kumasi pe
yeah
ana ma cheche hu no o yi bibia to China about politics boy I was a Kumasi for demonstration so ma say tidal wave yeah e be demonstration o ti ase eso so be ko ka say financial budget abai ye dudwa e ye scare free baby ahyehyɛ di nyina tie ko pa acho so na e hyɛ na no wo fa koma pa ne mpa ye entire abai chi
omo hwe mani makosi da be
oh the pacho enu na ye busa se macho bet me the WhatsApp page actually ye nda o
ne krakra omo hwe mani makosi da be
say oh you say ye busa Ghana gas da be na omo plant e bet be ma VR for Kenya gas and Greek for the Oma Kai. Obviously, Oma started here repair. Na bibi okra o se pylon no e shefo. Se pylon no. Se nye glow for almost 1 cedi. Foundation in human from abona. How many times that is a Greek pylon even in the store.
So I think that why won't glow be surcharged? I don't know.
They do here Greek for the glue for. What you say? O surcharge the road chase can you akra ma na. O ti pylon no e ja pempem store. You know you say manufacture to suit
fabrication baby
and also two concrete ni na setting down this is another boy and just say you know yes say abere
be ya
a year the whole Ghana net a triple ban they boko actually sir I don't need AFLS now can tia e ba ko na no boko burger boko there tia it do the whole Ghana because AFLS automatic because stations didn't mean and take load sana baby do cry enti a chopper at this radio come straight or two for the Santaman the day before no not great could ECG delivery o man you press conference I explain exactly what the problem is. So problem now who identify that kind of crime maybe you be say who say you be there so be ya dey na mati now catch up say that we dey giant break ever ha ye fan fa ha because who dey say that no be far ha do e dey assemble by bu break now nya me bone yankwa go bom kuro e wo Kumasi eni yankwa go yi obi ama e wo Kumasi ye ko kan adekontia Kumasi fonkwa na enya sa problem e dey that what friend do so
enti anya boapa yon so
anya boapa yon
sabotage bi ani ba bia
oh do want me no makade na sabotage glow for the sabotage abai
me bisa
over the budget no credit yeka and Greek for them come die in fact I don't hear can ya ma Greek for some can say long distances are transmission line no and also got problems and the instability man and from the northern belt middle belt take on north you probably a major generation hub e wo Kumasi ya dey so draw for hey e be the very plant type person dey Kumasi and then make say technical people of VR and the ministry obuti ho omo ye negotiation near Bumfi plant no was a plant in generate power takwado na ya lay pipeline Kumasi and you won quite the person obu big companies so atro some person so call generation be Kumasi to support the government's agenda of the northern sector for a very long time Kenya na Coast Strip what be for Jejubo ya the sort the da because they for the shield wire it was a building bulk supply points the power stations the substations for north need to be improving the whole power at the system nenya counterbalance and you buin kwa palogu suba about your lines now
so you can open that up but napo obisi a friend Nana Yamantia na 31st of March he tweeted something or they are sending me here it is quite scary boutique be or see a wateshi your friend Chris boutique napo pylon esi dynamo
how you are but
from 31st March obi anya ho here
Kwame say I be come boa and obi me say ECG post obi
me the mo fan two piece o dey send o me dey send mo fan two mo some Facebook mo notebook radiant mo fan to so na ECG phone here almost buti dino around the pylon enti pylon wo fie num
o say we kai o obi diaba say Just come here, kind.
Huh?
Mr. Who will be? ECG police will be at the garage.
How?
Ghana for so I don't know. Near you can be a mensia. The champs was here. You can find her to be 11. A crime we come because it's here. Road work and the neck account. Maybe a bay 11, 12, 1 neck crew my deal. Not a fire engineer for. Nini Namso. Now we say church. Dr. Mensa Ho Road, the friend of Peja Road. A road that I not to say ye head on. Ye choir. Baby, Baba, ye quine. Contractor for be ye quine or the church was here. Now, pool. It should be a sorry them.
Paul.
Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.